Hey guys, I'm gonna cook ampalaya with love. Oh, ampalaya with love. Wait ha, turo ko sa inyo paano ako gagawa ng ampalaya. Let's put some olive oil, garlic. Next, igisa natin ang onion. So, ilagay na natin ang ham and spam. Yan. Lagyan natin ng spam para may lasa, masarap. We're gonna use our sea salt. You're gonna use garlic powder. You're gonna use pepper. The ampalaya. It's done. Try organic herb and also this rosemary. Kumot kayo. Iba ang level pag nalagyan ng herbs. Ang sarap. Ang bango. Yun lang. Tapos na yun.